De salirte, güey.
This is where you're gonna put the ratchet, and it's gonna loosen up the belt, and then you can take it off. You have to loosen it way more. There you go.
Oh, se regresa.
Yeah, we can move that out of the way a little bit. That way we can see. And then we're gonna have to remove this screw, and then there's another screw right on top.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I thought it was gonna be way harder than that. It was really loose.
You feel looser? Okay, now you take that out. I don't know why it's like not. Con el martillo, something in there, or just pull it out. Grab it from here. Grab it from here.
Coming out, I think.
Nice, nice. You got it.
You got it.
Got it.
Okay, cut it.
Really?
Really?
Yeah. Okay, tighten.
Okay, so disconnecting. Right there. Yeah, click now for it. Ya está. Next one. I lost the otro. That's how you tighten it. Right way?
Yeah.
That is the right way, yeah. Okay. Good. Clip it. And put this one first. Put this one. Please tell me that lined up. For like right here?
Looks like that.
Yeah, it looks. Oh, I was going in the wrong spot.